Yes. All of you, you have to keep your camera on during the exam. Okay. Rifa Khan, everyone has to keep their camera on. Okay, student, you all have to keep yourself on mute mode. Unmute only when you have to ask question. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when you will send the link?
I'm just sending after 10 minutes. We will begin our program.
Teacher, where will you send the link of the
In the
Olympiad?
chat box. Beta, in the chat box, we will send the, we will make you clear. We will give all the
Okay.
instructions. Just wait. Okay, just keep yourself on mute mode. Okay. Nusrat ma'am, can we start dua?
Yes, ma'am. Amita ma'am is there.
Amita ma'am, are you ready with the dua?
Ma'am, this will be of how many minutes?
We are giving instruction, beta. Just wait. Just wait.
Ahmed ma'am, you can
Yes.
mute everyone
Okay.
without allowing to unmute.
Okay. Okay.
They can raise hands.
Okay,
And
children, if you need to ask any question, you just raise hand. Okay. And then I will unmute you.
Or send message in the chat box.
You can send message also in the chat box.
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek protection in Allah from Satan, the rejected one.
पनाह चाहती हूँ मैं अल्लाह की शैतान मरदूद से.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
शुरू करती हूँ मैं अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है.
وقضى ربك ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه وبالوالدين إحسانا. Your Lord has decreed that you worship none but Him and that you be dutiful to your parents.
अपने रब का फैसला सुन लो कि उसके अलावा किसी की बंदगी ना की जाए और माँ बाप के साथ अच्छा सलूक किया जाए.
إما يبلغن عندك الكبر أحدهما أو كلاهما فلا تقل لهما أف ولا تنهرهما وقل لهما قولا كريما. If one of them or both of them attain old age in your life, say not to them a word of contempt, nor repel them, but address them in terms of honor.
और वालिदैन में से कोई एक या दोनों बुढ़ापे को पहुंच जाए तो उनको उफ भी मत कहो और ना उन्हें झिड़कना, और बातचीत में अदब का ख्याल रखना।
واخفض لهما جناح الذل من الرحمة وقل رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا. And out of kindness, lower onto them wings of humility and say, My Lord, bestow on them thy mercy, as they brought me up when I was young.
और मोहब्बत में मेहरबान होकर अपने दोनों बाजू आजिज़ी के साथ फैला दो, और उनके हक में ये दुआ करते रहो कि ए मेरे रब, फरमा जैसा कि मेरे बचपन की बेबसी में मुझे पाल पोस कर प्यार किया।
صدق الله العلي العظيم. Say truly Allah, the Most High, the Most Sublime.
A very warm welcome to all of you. Today, we are here to celebrate 15th NHS Inter-School Maulana Azad Educational Fest. So, our first event is Mahmood Kamar Running Trophy, which is Maths Olympiad. We have Yasmin Ahmed ma'am as our activity coordinator. Let's see rules and regulations. Rule number 1. It is mandatory to join Zoom meeting through laptop or desktop and to keep camera on throughout the test. Rule number 2. The test will be conducted on Google Form and link will be shared in the chat box. Rule number 3. Team of the 5 students from each school from 5th grade. Rule number 4. There are total 50 MCQs question. Rule number 5. Syllabus will be up to 5th grade. Rule number 6. Maximum time is 25 minutes and form will not be accepted after that. Rule number 7. No negative marking. Rule number 8. In case of tie, rule of tiebreaker will apply. Rule number 9. Winner school of the running trophy will be decided on the basis of the highest average marks obtained by the school. Rule number 10. Marks will be awarded on the basis of accuracy and speed. Thank you and best of luck to all of you. Over to Yasmin Ahmed ma'am.
Thank you, Rosie Bano. Good morning, dear teachers and students. I am Yasmin Ahmed, maths teacher in New Horizon School. I hope all rules and regulations are clear to you. Maths Olympiad will be conducted through Google Form and I am just sharing link in your chat box. And from there, you can attempt the paper. You will get only 25 minutes to attempt this paper. And you have to attempt as many questions as you can in under 25 minutes. And you will be given marks on the basis of your knowledge, speed, and accuracy. Okay? And you will be intimated at 20 minutes, 24 minutes, and last bell will be given at 25 minutes. And you have to submit the paper. After that, your response will not be accepted. Okay, students? Best of luck. I hope this is going to be an enriching experience for you. Okay, just wait a moment. I am sharing link in your chat box. Okay, children, check your chat box. Link is there. Yes, Rifa, you want to ask some question? I hope everyone has received link in the chat box. Now you start attempting the paper. It is 10 o'clock. Yes, you can start the paper. Your time has started now. It is 10 o'clock. Camera on, Mohammad Umam, Mehran Shamsi. I am noting down your name. Vania Zainab.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm going this website तो मैम उस वेबसाइट पे जा रहे हैं तो मैम ये वाला कैमरा ऑफ हो जा रहा है. Ma'am, link is not opening. Ma'am, my camera is on only.
Yes, ma'am, my
Okay.
also.
Okay, that's
Ma'am,
why we
you can
told you
see.
to join through laptop or desktop. It happens
But
when
ma'am, I have joined
Just don't
earlier
disturb.
because
Don't disturb
some
now. Please continue. Muhammad Umam Amir, switch on your camera, everyone. Mehran Shamsi, camera on. Shiza Ansari, camera on. Arsalan Malik. Beta, if your camera is off, your position will not be given to you.
Following students, please switch on your cameras. Rafat Parveen, Shiza, Avika, Tamara, Tasir, Anu Bansal, Amli, Afia not Afia. Please switch on your cameras. Ufa Farid, you will not be considered for the position if your cameras are off. Shiza, Avika, Amli, Alsana, Tamara. I am repeating again, you will not be considered for the positions if your cameras are off.
Send a message in the chat box if you want to ask. I cannot unmute you. Okay, children, only 5 minutes are left. Now only 1 minute is left. बेल देनी है। नहीं है। Now children, time is up. Okay, now go at the end and submit the paper. Stop attempting. Yes, just scroll down, go at the end and submit the paper. Okay, just I am giving 20 seconds. After that, your form will not be submitted. Just go at the end and press the button of submit. Just submit. Children, follow instruction. After that, I won't be able to help you. Submit the paper. Go at, don't attempt, start attempting the paper or stop attempting the paper. Go at the end and submit the paper. Otherwise, accepting response, this option will be closed.
If you will not submit your paper, you will get 0 marks. So you have to submit it.
Okay, unmute yourself if you have any problem. Okay, submit the paper.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am submitting, but ma'am, this is not submitting.
Okay,
मैम हम सबमिट कर रहे हैं पर वो मैम हो ही नहीं रहा.
I have submitted.
okay, okay.
मैम
Okay.
मेरे साथ भी हुआ था फिर मैंने कर दिया सबमिट.
मैम
Okay.
सबमिट नहीं हो रहा.
It will take 10 to 20 seconds. Just wait. I am giving you time. Don't worry.
मैम जब हमने सबमिट करा तो कुछ और ही आ रहा था और फिर मेरा पेपर बैक हो गया.
हाँ
You will find that response is accepted. You will get this. If you have some network problem, it will take few more seconds. I am giving time. Okay. Okay. Any student, if you are facing any problem, send me in the chat box. Okay, now response are closed now. You all have submitted? Okay. 1 minute.
If you all have submitted, please show thumbs up like this.
Okay.
Very good. Aisha Rashid, have you submitted? Have you submitted?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. You
Good
can keep
children.
your hands down now.
Okay. Now, children, it will take some time. We are working on the result now. Okay. Just wait here. Stay here. And now I request Sajid sir to please take. Yes, Manmeet, you want to say something? Okay. Unmute yourself and say.
यस मैम मैम जब मैंने सबमिट का बटन क्लिक करा था तो कुछ ऐसे आ गया कि हिल्स को मैच करो, कुछ ऐसा आ गया था, और जब मैं करा तो फिर वेरीफाई कुछ आने लगा। जब मैं इधर आके बोलने लगी तो वो सारा पेपर बैक हो गया।
Oh, it's some technical problem. Some technical problem. We can't help you, beta, in this case now. Sorry, beta. Okay.
मैम कुछ हो सकता है फिर अब?
नहीं बेटा, sorry, अब तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Now time is over. All student have submitted paper. Okay, now everyone wait. We are working. Okay, we are working in finalizing the result and it will take around 10 minutes. Just stay here and wait for the announcement of the final result. And in the meantime, I request Sajid sir to kindly take over. Now it's okay, Sajid sir?
But ma'am, it's not showing the share screen. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, now the first video we got from Hamdard Public School.
Is going to prove the main theorem of the chapter circles, which is the length of the two tangents drawn from an exterior point are equal in length. I am proving this today because it's the main theorem and asked many times in the both exams also. So let's prove it. I have taken two plastic beads, then I have taken pencil, cutter, elastic, then compass and a bottle cover, and I have pasted 2D protractor on that. Then I have taken glue for pasting these. I have made holes on these beads at the midpoint and I have made 3 holes. You can see here at both the sides, here and here. Made holes at the midpoint.
Just a minute.
Good morning everyone. Today me Muhammad Farhan Manzar of class 10th E from Hamdard Public School is going to prove the main theorem of the chapter circles, which is the length of the two tangents drawn from an exterior point are equal in length. I am proving this today because it's the main theorem and asked many times in the both exams also. So let's prove it. I have taken two plastic beads, then I have taken pencil, cutter, elastic, then compass and a bottle cover, and I have pasted 2D protractor on that. Then I have taken glue for pasting these. I have made holes on these beads at the midpoint, and I have made 3 holes. You can see here at both the sides, here and here. See, I have made holes in these beads also in the mid. So now I am going to prove my theorem with the help of this model which I have prepared. I have used 2 beads which we use at home to cover the electric wires. Here I have made holes at the midpoint and at the starting point of the both the beads. Now we have taken the plastic bottle cover. Here we have made 3 holes on the 3 sides of this cover, and we have pasted this protector. Here you can see it's making 90 degree, complete 90 degree at the point of contact, and this point of contact is at 26.5. This is in centimeter. This scale I have made it with hand, it's in centimeter. Now when we will pull this, here you can see here it's also perpendicular 90 degrees, it's making it 14 and 14, so the length is equal. Now we'll put this again. You can see this 26.5 and 26.5. So this proves that our model is accurate and our theorem is also right. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning. My name is Abdurrahman Khatib and I am a student of grade 10th. I am going to demonstrate the model. The model is based on circles. I am going to explain the parts of circle and how tangent is formed. First of all, what is a circle? A circle is a collection of all the points which are at a fixed distance from the fixed point on a plane. The length of this complete circle is called circumference. The region occupied is called its area. And this is the center.
अच्छा, अभी क्या कौन सा जगह भी है?
Okay, we are back, sir. Our Honorable Principal Ma'am Sulekha Mehra has also joined us, who is our guiding light, under whose guidance we are able to perform all these activities. We welcome you, ma'am. Now unmute, ma'am, you can unmute yourself. Ma'am has joined us?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I think ma'am is not here. She was in the waiting room.
Ahmed, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I send you message, just cross check.
Okay. Hi, yes, sir. I got the result.
Ma'am, my network is stable. I think you have to proceed with all that formalities.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. Now, I request Sabaudin, sir, to please take over to announce the result.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ahmed, ma'am.
Ji, sir.
Can you hear me proper?
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
So have you cross-checked the result?
Just a moment, I am sending you the picture. Yes, sir, I have checked.
Okay, so we are okay with the result?
Yes, sir. I have checked.
So should I proceed with the result?
Yes, Sabaudin, sir, please, kindly.
Okay. Good afternoon, dear student and teacher. We are ready with the result of both our competition, mathematical modeling making competition and Olympiad. I will go first with the result of mathematics Olympiad. Okay. We have already make the result, and this result is auto generated by the computer itself. We don't have to calculate anything. So we are ready with result. Ahmed ma'am?
Yes, sir.
My sound is very clear now because
yes,
I'm just confirming because the network is unstable from my side.
You are audible, very clearly you are audible.
Okay. Now students get ready for the result. I'm going to announce the third position. Third position goes to Priyanshu Dev, New Greenfield School, Saket. Congratulations, Priyanshu. Now the second position. Second position goes to Khadija Muhammad. Second position goes to Khadija Muhammad, Hamdard Public School, Talimabad. Congratulations, Khadija. And the first prize goes to Aisha Imtiaz, New Horizon School, Nizamuddin. Congratulations, Aisha. So now I'm moving to the second category, mathematical model making competitions. I think all the participants have joined the this meeting. Now mathematical model is judged by our honorable judge, Mr. Shehzad. He's a PGT mathematics from Variation Public School, New Delhi. Unfortunately, due to technical error, he is not present with us, but we are ready for the result. Now, the third position for model making competition goes to Red Rose Public School, Saket. I congratulations to the student of Red Rose School. Now, second position goes to Jabal Farasana International School, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Congratulations. And now first position goes to Hamdard Public School, Talimabad. Congratulations, all of you. So now, student, I again congratulations all of you and thanks for all active participation. Dear student, every year school organize educational fest and conduct competition in all subjects. Healthy competition always motivate students to excel. Dear student, if you have not got any position, need not to be disheartened. It is a continuous journey. Participations and sincere efforts are important. Again, I congratulations to all of you and wishes you a good career ahead. And I request the coordinator teachers of the participating school are requested not leave WhatsApp group because e-certificate will be sent through this group. As soon as the school will open, hard copy of certificate will be sent to your school. Now, one more announcement I would like to make here. Trophy. The winners of Mahmood Kamar Running Trophy on the basis of highest average marks obtained by the school will be announced on the day of culmination of our fest, which is on 27 November 2020. So you are requested to join. You are requested to join on 27/11/2020. Link and time will be sent through WhatsApp group. We hope to be associated with you in future too. Now our program will be culminated by our school song, followed by national anthem. Over to Ahmed ma'am. Ahmed ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Sabaudin sir.
रोशनी पाए हम हर कदम इल्म की रोशनी बन के आए करम इल्म की रोशनी पाए हम हर कदम इल्म की रोशनी हम तजस्सुस न हो कम न हो जुस्तजू हम में तहकीक की कम न हो आरज़ू हम तजस्सुस न हो कम न हो जुस्तजू हम में तहकीक की कम न हो आरज़ू हमको दे जाम जम इल्म की रोशनी बन के आए करम इल्म की रोशनी सदाकत की तरगीब दे इल्म इखलाक दे इल्म तहजीब दे इल्म से जो मिले ज़हरो दिल को जिला वो मदावाए दुनिया की तरकीब दे हाँ करे ये बहम इल्म की रोशनी बन के आए करम इल्म की रोशनी बन के आए करम इल्म की रोशनी पाए हम हर कदम इल्म की रोशनी खाक सारी भी हो सरबुलंदी भी हो अज़्म आहन भी हो दर्दमंदी भी हो एक ज़र्रे की भी दिल में ताज़ीम हो और सितारों की सी अर्जुमंदी भी हो भर ले आँखों में हम इल्म की रोशनी बन के आए करम इल्म की रोशनी बन के आए करम इल्म की रोशनी पाए हम हर कदम इल्म की रोशनी इल्म की रोशनी
Now I request everyone to kindly pay homage to our national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा
Thank you very much, teachers and students, for joining us. If you have any query, you can send me in the message in my personal window. Number is given in the WhatsApp group. Okay, with the permission of our HOD, I am ending the meeting now. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, may I end the meeting now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.